So let me show you so how what it is doing. It is also the same actually. Everything is similar actually. On the generate text, I am sending the prompt, and in the prompt I am mentioning that correct the spelling and grammar of this text. So this has to be in the prompt. This is very important. Whatever you want from the system, you need to mention that you want the system to correct it, and then whatever prompt is there. Prompt means what? You know, this text, whatever is there in the text box. This is the prompt. So send the text, and it will respond with the corrected text. Actually, it is still calling text DaVinci 002, but you can also call Curie or ADA or whatever other Babbage. There are different algorithms models which you can use, and it will give you response, and display that response here like this. So you will get this code, don't worry, and hope you understand. Everything else is same. I have already provided you other information what I have been doing. So always consider this one. This is very important whatever you are writing. Okay, I hope you understand what I want to teach you here. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much for being here with me.